For this series in Spacecraft Guide, we are going to focus on the Space Shuttle. We're going to concentrate on the flight instruments to teach you how the astronauts flew the Space Shuttle in flight and in orbit. In this issue of Spacecraft Guide, we are continuing to train you on how to be a pilot commanding the Space Shuttle by teaching you how to fly using the instruments that are on board the spacecraft. And we are going to continue our work in the primary flight display, focusing on this instrument down here, which is the Yaw Rate Indicator. And when you click on it, it takes you to the Yaw Rate Indicator page. You can see that we're focusing on this instrument down here, and it provides a continuous readout of vehicle rotation rates around the yaw axis. Yaw rates are displayed at the bottom side of the pointer. The center mark on the scale next to the pointer represents 0. So this is 0 right here. The graduated marks on either side of the center indicate positive or negative rates. So you see that here, and this is marked at 5 degrees. As we've learned, this can be graduated up to other marks on the instrument, and that has to do with the switches. If you select this is the medium rate. So each one of these ticks is 1 degree. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 of yaw that's turning along this axis to the left, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going to the right. Now you might see 15 here, and that would be each one of these be multiplied, be 10. 10 would be here, so this would be 2, 4, 6, 8, and then 10. But then when you get really close to docking, and that's within 15 miles, close to 100 feet, this will be switched to 1 by the astronauts to give a very fine indication. So this would be 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8, and then 1 degree of, and that is rate of rotation. That is not, again, this up here, the error needle for the yaw, this would be 1 degree, where you turn to 1 degree and you hold. This is you turn to a rate of 1 degree per second, because this is 5, so this would be 1 degree per second. And when you hold there, the spacecraft is going to continue to yaw, but it'll be at a rate that you want, which is 1 degree. And the reason, again, is for that is with the rate, you don't want it to accelerate too much, then you overshoot your mark. So this is sort of telling you, okay, let's hold the spaceship right here and yaw to the side. So if we go to General, we'll see in the guidance navigation system with the overview that this has to do with the commands, and then the vehicle control with in-flight trajectory changes are made during powered flight by following the gimbaled engines. So that is when you're powering in atmosphere. During atmospheric flight, these functions are performed deflecting aero services. So that's when you're actually in the atmosphere. Flight control computes and issues of the engine fire and gimbal canards of the aerospace deflection commands. So all of this here is in the atmosphere. So that's just a little bit more information for you in the section of General, which is Guidance, Navigation, and Control. Now, for our Patreon subscribers, that's the paying and the free, which means you don't even have to pay to go with me here. All you have to do is sign up, so you'll get notes when I actually bring something new out or other things. I just put out a special on a manual that was available at a discount for my free subscribers. So what are you waiting for? Join up for free. And if you do, and you're a Patreon subscriber, and you click on schematic,